Nasty, my stomach been hurting. Chickens been jerking. These niggas is earthlings. Toddlers are twerking. Business is booming. People is dying. Corona or 5G. That's probably both. My nigga died. I make the bitch that I'm with fuck a ghost. We not gon' help with the digging. I hope that my dog get her pregnant. None of that rhyme, but it came out fine. Like the paint didn't smudge and the baby didn't die. They buying Pampers with money they owe. Kidnap the baby, won't change it no more. Your head in the clouds, my head in them hills, my head in the books. I never ran for the hills. I'm eating rappers, got that boy beard in my beard. I feel like I'm harding out. That nigga in Houston, yeah, the one with the beard and shit. This why I'm weird and lit. Really more weird than lit. Fuck it, I'm weird as it. Ooh, everything nice. Chain watch shit all bright. Just took her on, hit a dyke. She hit me other day and I'm like,
back at it again. Troy down there twerking.
She twerking.
Here we go. Got the motor in. Like I said, we're twerking them right now. I didn't vlog earlier because phone's dead. I was trying to hurry up and get this in. So,
am I still on there?
Yeah, you're still on top of it. So right now, we got trans connected. Putting the mounts in. Oh yeah, 22s over there. So I'm putting in work on Troy. So pretty much the blocks in. I just got to stick all the accessories on as we get everything locked in. That's pretty much it. The GoPro should be charged now. I also got to go in and I got to line the motor up with the torque converter. And then take that and then connect the crank and twist the crank over to, well, I got to put the crank pulley on. And I got to twist it to get the holes to line up with the torque converter. Cause once I get one on, I'll be able to twist it and be able to line the other ones up as well. So,
46.
It's 46. So that happens for a minute.
So on it?
Yeah, you're still on top of it.
Boom.
Can you get that back one? Or it can be
that was the back one, wasn't it?
That's the top one.
Oh, damn.
That's the only reason I can see it, because you was at the top. So we had to put this in. So we had to put this in without the mounts on in order to get everything to clear. Because the cooler back there was hitting with the mount in. So, and then the pan was also hitting the passenger side. Took both down and got them in. So that's all torque. Now we just got to put the motor to the block on next. So, being said, what the next is going to be GoPro. So we're going to do that next. Get this man a workout out here. Hoping next week 6-0 the Suburban.
Let's do
it. Alright. Hold that thought. Holding. Begin. Alright, so got the motor in. Something's coming after me. Oh, piece of thing right there. Anyway, I got the motor in. And now I'm going to start putting the torque converter bolts to the actual motor. And the injectors are also in now. So I'm going to turn the GoPro on. Hopefully I'm not over my minutes for this, but I'm going to kick the GoPro on. And we'll get it macking.
They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look, My adversaries crumble when we rumble, it's a catastrophe on anybody who tryna hate, come and blast at me. I've been in this for a minute, see how I graduated from rookie to beginner, but now I'm winning on the road, backing up and selling our shows. But let's rewind the tape a bit and let them all know who came to rock the floor, Jay, who knocks the most, Willis. I creep up on the come up whether they hate it or feel this. Next in line to come and battle me quick, man, you don't wanna see me in the circle, I'm killing you, kid. Young Jay, I'm bad. They told me that. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. Who's back? Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. I put everybody that want any issues in a line. Step them up, I started out battle rapping, so I can just flip the script in a minute. I'm menace to these rhymes. See, that's a whole school of wannabe rappers that's out of lines. Why? Question this reckless, blessed with next generation, no extra linguistics. Mess up in his mind, gone out of control. Left for dead if somebody ever took a shot. You press the hit him, I never ride, forever on top. I'm up to date with 7 albums, when will it stop? My steady grind, signing checks, I still get the guap. And you still hate, I'm diverse, just give it a shot. Till then, watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it. And you ain't gotta ask, you know we running it. Flip the script and keep y'all wondering. Hot topic, I stay bubbling. Big pesos, I don't take no. Try to keep up, ready, set, go.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Who compares? Nobody comes close. Too hot, turn the bread into toast. Nitro, hit the gas, adios. I pull up to the scene, I'm a boss. Or a boss, I do the most. One bite, get the check by my nose. You feeling good like me? Here's a toast. I could do this all night, double dose. So contagious,
No, you feel it. That's right.
can't contain it.
Don't conceal it.
Fresh to death,
How I step in it.
change the game,
How we stay winning.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
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 So, truck is finally timed. It's kind of a pain in the butt. He sells 3 dots on there. There's 2 on the cam gear. You see that white marks that. And I'm trying to zoom for y'all to see the other one. Oh, nope, it's ugly. Alright, so there's 1 on the crank down there. You kind of see like a little dimple. Oh, there it goes. So that's how you get the truck in time. So now the cam gear is on and it's timed. So now I just gotta put the nut in. I torqued the bolts down on the torque converter. I'm missing one because it was bent due to in shipping. So there it all is. But yeah, my phone died not long ago. Not the phone, the GoPro. I need to try to get a better camera for y'all. But that's pretty much everything that I got in there so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because it's probably dragging on. And you know, my phone and my GoPro act together, so I need to get a better camera. But I'm gonna wrap this up. Peace till next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, just keep on pushing. Keep it macking.